What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Relentless Shine. As usual, we've got a big job for the day. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're polishing and coating this custom, I think it's a 98 Chevy pickup truck. It is dualied, extra wide body, custom paint job, and they did a so-so job on the finish out. So we're gonna get a lot of shots of the imperfections before and of course after, and then throw the coating on this thing. And one thing I forgot to mention, it is bagged, so you might see it at multiple different heights. It's gonna make this really big job a little bit more convenient for reaching the roof and stuff like that, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this.
Right there, you go.
Alrighty guys, we're wrapping up this truck. What a complete nightmare, really. I mean, didn't have that many swirls. All the marks in this thing, as you're gonna see, way deeper, which means you have to really wrestle with the paint. You get tired, you gotta lean on it, go over it multiple times. Regardless, the end result is what we were after, practically flawless, even though we definitely didn't have a great canvas to start with. 5-year coating, all the paint, all the trim, even like, you know, little lights on the roof, everything gets done. That's pretty much it for this thing. If you guys are enjoying the content, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe, like, comment. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.